Today we're going to go over how to submit your files in Blackboard and what should be included in your file submission. So we're looking at the project for Chapter 1. So this is our website, our JEDS tree care. So when we look at this file, we've got 2 pages in here, 2 HTML files. So we have our home page and the services page. Now you'll notice that in these, each one of them has the layout, your images. Those all have to be included in your folder structure. So when we look at our folder structure here, we'll see that in here I do have the 2 HTML files. I have all of the images, and then I have my CSS file, which tells the web browser how to process those images and how to process the colors and the layout for the site. So when we look at this with Notepad++, you'll see in the CSS that it's got the rules set up for how my HTML sets, my rules for my body. So that has to be included. Every file that is being read by your website must be included. So if we look at, for example, our index on HTML, we'll see that it does have the links in here to these CSS files. Also the links in here for the images. Those are included in the file as well. So what happens is if, for example, I'm going to move the photo 1 out of this folder. Now we look at our website, we'll refresh this. You'll see now that I have a broken link here for that photo. Okay, so if you do not include those photos into that file when you send those to Blackboard, or if you're producing a website for production, put it out live on the internet, if you do not send those to your web server, the website is still going to be trying to look for that file in that location. So the JEDS tree care file is located here. So it is still looking for it in this folder. I have moved it to my desktop, so it's not there. So we'll move it back, and you'll see that when I refresh, the file's there. So you want to make sure that you include everything that your website is going to need into your folder structure. Now, once you've got your folder, for example, case 1, I want to right-click it, compress to zip file. Then I have a folder here. This folder, the zip folder, is what I have to upload to Blackboard. Same as when you send these to your web hosting service. Most of them is going to have you send a zip file in when you put your server out, your site out live. If you do not have your folder with all of the contents in it, once again, it's going to not display properly and it will be marked wrong. So make sure you include everything that's required for the project, everything that your site's needing. Otherwise, like I said, it will not display properly when you submit it.